Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself, Dr. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen importance of leadership. Today, we are going to learn qualities of a leader and functions of a leader. So, let's start with the new topic, qualities and functions of a leader. Meaning of a leadership. Leaders are required to develop a future vision and to motivate the organizational members to achieve the vision. Leadership has different meaning and different person, but in managing, leadership is the art of leading others towards a goal. It is a process by which an executive can direct, guide, and influence the behavior of other words of specific goals and the given situation. In this slide, now we will discuss qualities of a leader. Qualities of an effective team leader inspire the trust and respect of the learner and stimulate production within the workplace. So, the qualities of effective leaderships discuss the various points. The first point is psychological factors. These factors of a person include the height, weight, health, and appearance. These factors have a very strong impact on personality and leadership. Thereafter, next point is personality. It is said that a sound mind resides in sound body. Hence, a leader should have sound health and good stamina to work hard. He should have changing the personality. Such a leader has impact on the minds on his followers. The next qualities of a leadership is intelligence. It is considered to be a most important trait. A leader should have an above average level of intelligence. He should be capable of thinking scientifically. Intelligence is a natural quality. Psychologists claim that intelligence can be improved with the help of proper the various training programs. Thereafter, next point is vision and foresight. They should have enabled the future trends of events. This quality prepare for future challenges and useful to prepare the policies and the various programs. Next point is courage and willpower. It has been rightly said that without courage there are no virtues, hope, aspiration, and can be transferred into the relatives without courage and the willpower. Point is human relation skills. A leader should have human relation skills. The relation skills refer the ability to work with others, ability to understand people, their problems and feelings, knowledge about people and interpersonal relationship. A leader needs to possess the knowledge of how human beings react to various different situations. Thereafter, next point is ability to communicate. Communicates his vision to his team and tells them the strategy to achieve the goals. It will be very difficult for him get the result. Good communicator can be a good leadership. Good communication skill can be used for informative purpose. The effective can achieve the better result. Next point is tact and humor. They should be tactful and dealing with the people and situation. He should have a sense of humor. The qualities of leader to get the things done pleasantly without stress. Thereafter, next point is motivation. It is the effective leader is one who has the ability and the inspire. It can only be the possible. Inspire his followers, setting leader is successful, inspiring his subordinates. He can overcome any current and future challenges and the easily. Next point is flexible and dynamic. Leaders should have flexible and they have the dynamic. He should be capable of ideas and views in accordance with the needs of the changes situations. And the last point is emotional stability. Leaders should have be capable of keeping emotions under the control. The stability are necessary for the leader. He should remain the cool patent by the happening of unusual and unanticipated events. Next qualities of a leadership is technical skills. Leaders should also technical skills. These skills relate to the job knowledge. They include ability to apply methods and techniques and performing the job, ability to provide the guidance and the instruction to the followers. Next is honesty and integrity. This is the important points. The supreme quality of leadership is integrity. Without no real success is possible, no matter whether it is on a section, a football field, in any army, or in any office. Honesty and integrity are two important ingredients that they make a good leader. Leader expect honesty from the followers, and it is quality Leaders' success when they stick to their values. Thereafter, next point is confidence. A leader should be confident enough to ensure that others his commands. It is unsure about his own decision and qualities. His subordinates will never follow him. This does not mean that he should be overconfident, but he should at least reflect the degree of confidence and to ensure that his followers a leader. The last point is, and last qualities of a leadership is education and knowledge. Leaders should have proper education and knowledge. Particularly, business leaders should have education, at least in the field of accountancy, management, economics. It would be made better the specific knowledge in the field of management. He should have up-to-date knowledge of laws, economics, and politics. So, these were the various qualities of a leader. I hope all of you must have understand these various qualities of a leader. Functions of a leader. Leadership is an inspiring medicine, motivates the employees for the predetermined objectives of the organization. According to the major functions of leadership to create the proper environment and maintain to achieve the desired result. The first function of leader is setting goals. It has to guide the group by setting the goals to its subordinates. He should the subordinates to work with confidence to achieve the goals. He should maintain order and discipline. Thereafter, next point is organizing. The second function of leader is to create and shape the organization on scientific lines, the roles and duties according to the individual abilities. He should the character of the group, show the way to the member of the group. Thereafter, next point is initiating action. It is the important functions of a leader is to take the initiative in all matters of the interest of the group. He should not depend upon others' decision and judgment. Next point is direction and motivation. It is the primary functions of leader to guide and direct his group and motivate the people. Their best achievement of desire, the goals, the confidence, and in the work group. And the last function of a leader is link between the management and workers. It is a necessary link between the management and the workers. The policies and programs of the management to its subordinates and represent the subordinates. Interest before the management. He can prove the effective only when he can act as the truth, the guardians of the interest of its subordinates. Thank you.